Assembling the Ardo pump set. Insert the tubing into the cap when first assembling. Grip the white valve on the reinforced sides and put it into the breast shell. Before assembling, inspect the valve for any tears or milk deposits. Now place the membrane pot in the breast shell with the smooth side facing outward. When attaching the green lid, please position the line markings on the cap and the breast shell so that they line up. Then gently turn the cap approximately half a centimetre to the right. Now screw the bottle to the breast shell. The pump set can now be connected to the Ardo breast pump.